Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did my brows. If this interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, here is the before shot so you can see how my brows naturally look. As you can see on your right hand side, there's a scar underneath my brows, and on my left it has my brow is pretty high up. So I'm going to make an attempt to make them look as even as possible. I'm going to need my 99% alcohol to disinfect my eyebrows after I've cut them. I use clear ice gel as a shaving tool. Here are my little mini shears for trimming my brows, a comb in order to comb them into place. And I use a brow razor for my brows because it's much smaller. Cotton balls to be moistened with the alcohol, and a mirror in order to see what I'm doing. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my gel and moisten my eyebrows. I use the gel because I can see exactly where I'm shaving without, like, instead of using shaving cream, which is white or anything that's colored. So this is just a shaving preparation, I guess. Taking my comb, and I'm going to comb my brows hairs up as far up as I can in order to see where is the over taper here. And I'm going to take my shears and I'm going to trim those extra hairs off. Okay, so at this point I'm finding out it's a little bit difficult to do this on camera, so I'm going to do it looking at the actual camera instead of my my mirror, which I was looking in. Now I'm going to take my shears and I'm going to try to shape the upper portion of my brows, because they are they're like all over the place. And I don't know if you can see, but on your left hand side there, my brows are like much thinner than the right. So it's a bit tricky in my case as far as like shaping my brows. So just gonna see that on the right hand side it's actually perfect. On the left I usually leave a bit more brow hair in the front because I don't want to chop them off, because it's very short on that side and it's very thin. So right here I'm just looking in the mirror and I'm trying to gauge balance on both brows between the two, and try to make them as even, as close approximation to even as I can possibly get it. And personally, I think, as you can see on your left hand side, which is actually, I believe, my right, that particular brow is probably the worst brow ever. It's very difficult to get it even because it's thinner than the other side. And I have to be extremely careful on the tail, because lately I've been chopping off the tail, and I don't particularly like that look. I like a little bit of hair right there. Mostly when I use my shears in order to cut that side. So actually I have to like leave that tail alone in order for me to actually have a tail. Now on the right I could do almost anything. Well, your right hand side. So I have to be extra careful on that left hand side. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, still shaping here. I need my glasses because it's a little difficult to see. So I'm looking in the mirror and I'm seeing how close up it looks and if there's anything else I need to take off. And I'm noticing on this particular side, it has a funny, I don't know, it's the scar. It makes it a little bit difficult in order to do that, but this side is perfect. It has a nice shaping to it that I'm very pleased with. I'm able to get it nice and clean and straight. And I have to cut that off in order to blend it with the other side. But that's pretty much what I'm doing here. Okay, right here I had realized that I need to look inside the camera in order to make this work. But yeah, I'm just cutting off the over taper to make sure now that I've already shaped or got the general shape that I want to use. And I'm showing you that I'm doing the top, but off camera I'm going to be doing the bottom because it was easier, but it's very difficult to do this on camera. Okay, right here I'm just showing you the cotton ball. I'm trying to focus, but it's a moistened cotton ball with the 99% rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to use that to disinfect my eyebrows, so just in case I won't get an infection or anything like that. So now that I'm back in focus, I'm going to show you. I suggest you tap first and then swipe, because if you just swipe, I'm telling you, it burns like hell. So that's what I'm showing you here. Okay, right here I'm just showing you the finished product. I don't like the one on the right very much, but I'm afraid to cut into it yet. So right now I'm just going to show you. I'm going to dress it up for you. I didn't have my brown gel eyeliner, so I'm just using the black. So it's a bit stark right now, but you get the general idea of what I'm doing here. Okay, right here I'm just brushing through my brows to soften that gel eyeliner I have at the very bottom, and then I'm going to go in with a powder which is supposed to be of a similar shade, but like I said, I had to use the black because I couldn't find my dark brown, and I'm just setting all of that with my powder now. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you my wild and crazy untamed brows at the beginning. And here's what they look like after. Like I said, I'm not too satisfied with the right hand side. As you can see, I'm just showing you it's not quite as straight, but I'll have to go back in another time when I'm more confident and try to shape that a little bit better. But here is the finished product. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.